Here's Lily, about a year old, walking. Come on, sweetie. Here we go. Started walking at 11 and a half months, huh? You want to use your walker? Where do you want to go? Come toward me? You come toward me? Yay! Say hi. Say hi. She also likes to wear her bracelet. Are you saying hi? Yeah. Good girl. You want to say hi to the dog? Go get the dog. The dog is her favorite person. Say hi to the dog. Get your dog. Get your dog. Oh. Oh, you love your dog. You get snuggle? You snuggle? Oh. That's a good girl. Yeah. Turn on. Mike. Turn on a light. Please.
Okay, the start of our weekend here.
Aw, here's Lily snuggling with the dog. Yeah. You love your dog? Aww. I think she loves the dog more than us. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Yeah, is it your doggy? Yeah, say hi. Say hi, hi. Hi, honey. Oh, are you petting him from behind? Oh, good girl. Did you lose your bracelet? Uh-oh. Potential baby meltdown. Want me to get the bracelet? Okay. She has to be wearing the bracelet at all times. Excuse the interruption in the video. Here, Lil. Watch her put it on. It's pretty funny. Okay. There you go. Oops. Did you miss it? You gonna put it on yourself? There you go. Good, honey. Oh, very sweet. Very sweet. Good boy, Cody. Aw.